In this video, I'll show you how to make an apple spice cake. The first thing you need to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Now dice the apples into small chunks and set them aside. In a mixing bowl, combine the margarine, egg, and sugar and mix them together. Add the cinnamon, nutmeg, and baking soda to the mixture and mix it in. Next, add the flour and mix it by hand. And add the chunks of apples and continue to stir. Spray your baking dish with non-stick cooking spray. Put the mixture into an 8 by 8 inch baking dish. Place it in the oven for 30 to 45 minutes. When it's done, take it out and let it cool. When you're ready to serve, cut it into small pieces and place whipped cream on each piece, with an optional cherry on top. You can print this recipe at easyfreerecipe.com. Thanks for watching.